Nigeria has issued a notice to motorcycle taxis banning their entry into the commercial capital of Lagos. The Nigerian government says the directive will come into effect next month and will restrict the popular mode of transportation from operating in most of the traffic-clogged city. Here now are the details of this and others in our African News Roundup.
The ban of motorcycle taxis in Lagos comes into effect just 2 years from the first ban. Locally known as Okadas, the mode of transportation is used by Lagos residents to conduct businesses and move around the city. However, Lagos governor insists the means of movement remains largely unsafe. The ban, however, does not extend to motorcycles being used for deliveries. Nigerian ride-hailing companies remain at the losing end of the directive as the ban closes off a livelihood for a population of 20 million. A similar restriction imposed in February 2020 fizzled out because of a lack of enforcement. Meanwhile, South African grocery and clothing retailer Pick n Pay aims to cut costs by $187 million in the next 3 years and grow its market share by 3% under a new strategy. Being one of the largest retail chains in South Africa, the company is seeking to improve shareholder returns, which have been dropping in the last 12 months in a highly competitive grocery market dominated by its biggest rival ShopRite. The cost savings will be achieved through efficiencies in supply chain, leveraging on working capital and simplifying store operations. Pick n Pay had reported a rise in annual earnings earlier and is looking to get more customers to shop at its discount boxer grocery chains. Finally, Ethiopia has seen a growing potential in China's booming coffee market as the Asian country becomes one of the largest importers of Ethiopian coffee. China has imported over 5,000 tons of Ethiopian coffee over the last 10 months, enabling the East African nation and $30.4 million, up by 31% from the same period last year. Ethiopia is set to export a total of about 300,000 tons of coffee to the international market in the current fiscal year that will be ending July.